Yeah, we just got this. Always wanted this Apple HomePod. We got an open box one from Best Buy. Says excellent condition. We only paid $229 for it. These are normally $299. Best Buy usually sells them for $250. But we got a good deal on it, and I'm already paying for Apple Music. So the only thing we gotta do is get this set up. I already took it out of the box. You missed the unboxing portion, unfortunately, but that's okay. There's plenty of other YouTube videos on there.
But you know, I thought the cord on that was like a skinny white cord. What is that skinny white thing coming from the bottom at the store?
That's just to keep you from stealing it.
Okay, that's okay. That makes sense. Because this guy was trying to. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So I'm not gonna plug it in yet because we need the phone to set it up. So yeah. Okay, we got it out the box. I think we can set it up with this iPad. I'm gonna turn it on. It's already on. Unlock it. Plug this in.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. For more info, check the Home app associated with this HomePod.
Okay, this HomePod had already been set up once before, so the way you set it up is different. Now I have to reset it, and I just researched that on the internet. They said to unplug it, plug it back in, and just hold it.
Your HomePod is about to reset.
Okay.
Keep pressing until you hear 3 beeps.
Okay, see? Now it's reset. Now we're gonna try setting it up. Oh, now it's doing something.
Yeah, because you go too fast.
There we go.
There we go, y'all.
Right.
Let's see.
It says
okay.
set up.
Set up.
Continue. What do you want to call it? Living room, kitchen, home theater.
Living room is fine. Let's click on the first one. Let's get this done.
How about kitchen?
Okay, kitchen is fine. Whatever. He just asked me, but he's like, what about the
enable personal requests? You want your phone to ring through here and your text messages?
Not now. Okay, we can do that later. Agree to the terms.
Transfer settings. Now, since we already got an Apple Music account on this phone, it should be ready here in a minute.
Is the light?
Okay, it's set up.
Hi, I'm Siri.
It's set up.
Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention,
She's waving.
Say, hey Siri, let's try it. Say, hey Siri, what can you do?
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with music. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, hey Siri.
Okay, y'all, I don't own the rights to this music, but I'm gonna play a little snippet of my favorite song, so I'm gonna stop this. Siri, stop.
You got to say hey.
Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, play Versace on the Floor.
Here's Versace on the Floor by Bruno Mars.
I do not own the rights to this music, y'all, but this is my favorite song. Oh my gosh. You guys should see my face. Hey Siri, stop. Okay, so you want to say anything else before we end the video?
No. Thanks for watching.
One team, one goal, one culture. Yes. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. And so, hey, we learned something new today. So, thanks for watching.